Now, I hate to put you guys to work for me today, but I really need your help. On the table right here are 6 very special, very unique pigment samples. We are getting ready to put a brand new pigment series on DipYourCar.com, and I've got to get these in front of you before we can make any final decisions. Now, these are unlike any other pigments we have on DipYourCar, and I'm excited to show them to you, but I got to get these sprayed out and put them in front of you because only 3 of the 6 are actually going to make it to final production. We've whittled it down to these 6, and internally, we can't make the decision by ourselves. So I'm going to get these sprayed out in our Luna permanent paint, high gloss, high clarity. They're going to look incredible. And I need you to take a look at each one of them. At the end of the video, leave a comment below because you guys have to tell me, out of these 6, which 3 are going to make it to the website. I've got some work ahead of me. I'm excited to get started. Let's go. Alright guys, we're all done with the experiment, and these are definitely some unique pigments. They're not like anything else we have at DipYourCar.com. Now they're only really going to work in a high gloss finish, which is perfectly fine. There's a ton of custom painters now using our Luna permanent paint line, and we have the ultra high gloss on the peelable side. Now here's what I need you to do. Take a good look at all 6 of them, leave a comment, and let me know which 3 you think should make it to full production at DipYourCar.com. We're going to gather all the community feedback over the next week or so, and then we'll make a final decision and get those 3 live. Now, you know the deal. If you want to play with any of our paints, head straight to Dip Your Car. We have everything in one place for you. I had a ton of fun testing these pigments today. I hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.